Not sure how to use your Mitsubishi AC Remote? Model number RLA502A700B. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Mitsubishi AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The HI and ECO button lets you switch between two modes. Press first time to activate high power mode, where the AC boosts cooling or heating speed for quick comfort. Press the second time to activate energy saving mode, which reduces power consumption by adjusting fan and compressor operation for efficient and quieter performance. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. The 3D auto button moves vertical and horizontal louvers, creating multi-directional airflow for even cooling or heating when pressed. The silent button lowers the fan and compressor speed to minimize noise, creating a quieter environment when you press the button. Press the button and activate the allergen clear function, which captures and suppresses airborne allergens such as dust, pollen, and mites, helping improve indoor air quality. Press the button to activate the night setback function, which automatically adjusts the temperature at night to keep comfort while saving energy. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. When you press the cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. This button lets you set up a weekly timer schedule for automatic on-off operation. You can program different times and temperatures for each day, making the AC run according to your routine without manual control. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the button and activate the program function, which lets you set automatic operating schedules such as start, stop, or temperature changes at specific times. This helps customize comfort and save energy without manual adjustments. Press the button and activate the ACL switch, which resets the remote control and clears any stored settings. This is useful for troubleshooting or restoring default operation. The time setup switch is used to adjust the current time on the remote, ensuring that timer and program functions operate accurately. The clean switch activates the self-cleaning function of the AC, helping reduce moisture, mold, and dust buildup inside the unit for cleaner airflow. Press the Set button for 3 seconds to lock the remote, preventing accidental changes in settings. This feature is useful for maintaining consistent operation and avoiding unintended button presses. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Mitsubishi AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.